In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a process swim lane chart using Lucidchart. Whether you're mapping out a process for work or just looking to get better organized, creating a swim lane chart can be incredibly useful for visualizing workflows. Let's dive right into it. First off, you'll want to go to lucidchart.com. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to sign up first. Once you're on the login page, type in your email address and password, then click on the login button. This will take you directly to your Lucidchart dashboard where you'll start your chart making journey. Now once you're logged into your account, the next step is to create a new document. On your dashboard, look for the new button. It's going to be your gateway to starting a fresh canvas. Click on it, and this will give you options to start with various Lucidchart tools. In this case, we're focusing on Lucidchart itself, so go ahead and click on Lucidchart from the list of tools provided. It will direct you to another screen where you'll have the opportunity to create from a template, which can be a huge time saver. Once you're on the template page, go ahead and type Swimlane into the search bar. This will narrow down the templates to include only those related to swim lane diagrams. You'll probably see several options pop up, and you're free to select the one that suits your project's requirements best. After you've decided on a swim lane template, click on Chart to proceed. This might involve a bit of scrolling depending on how many options you see, so take your time to find exactly what suits your needs. When you've made your choice, go ahead and click on the Use Template button. This action will create a copy of the template in your workspace, ready for you to customize. Finally, now that the template is open in your Lucidchart workspace, you have the freedom to edit it to fit your specific process. You can adjust the lanes, add shapes, input text, and connect elements to accurately represent the workflow you're aiming to illustrate. Don't forget that swim lane charts are particularly useful for showing responsibilities within a process, so clearly indicating who does what can be very valuable. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a swim lane chart in Lucidchart, and you're well on your way to creating detailed and organized process diagrams. Thanks for following along, and I hope you find